Hey, I want to show you how you can quickly make an edit for your photos right here on your smartphone. I have to say, I am using my Galaxy Ultra 22 smartphone, but I'm sure this will also work with any iPhone or other Android device. Let's get started. First, I open up my photo gallery and I have this photo of this cute little guy. He's got a heavy shadow on his arm, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. So I go ahead and I open up the edits after I've selected my photo. And first, I see there's things that I want to crop. So here's a little bonus. Crop your photo if you like. All you have to do is take the edges and slide them to where you want to have the crop. And so that it shows the picture that you want to finish up with. So go ahead and do that now. Next, on the edge of that shadow, let's get it out of there. Go to the far right. On mine, it's on the far right. You will see three dots at the bottom right. That's called a stack. And you just go ahead and select that. And then you will see a menu of different actions you can take. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the erase shadow. So I click on that button, boom, it works its magic, and there, it's all fixed. So look at how easy that was. So go ahead, try out the other features, and I hope you find this helpful for all your future pictures.